Welcome to Publilux, the intelligent agency. We specialize in helping technical, industrial, and commercial B2B companies be found, seen, understood, and chosen by their ideal partners and customers. We are shifting the focus from buying isolated marketing tools to solving real visibility problems. By combining 30 years of field experience with artificial intelligence, we engineer integrated systems designed to accelerate your growth. Many companies face a B2B growth paradox where their expertise is trapped. Common barriers include lack of online visibility, complex product messaging, difficulty entering the Quebec market, or simply not having the resources for an internal marketing team. We diagnose these missing links by providing solutions like smart SEO, technical content development, cultural adaptation for the Quebec market, and acting as your external AI marketing director. Our blueprint for B2B revenue follows a precise 3-step sequence. First, get found through AI discovery. Second, be seen and understood by simplifying your messaging. And third, be chosen by building trust. In step 1, we claim the search landscape. This includes conducting digital audits, optimizing local SEO for your business profile, and ensuring your brand has a strong presence on AI platforms like ChatGPT and Gemini. Step 2 focuses on untangling complex expertise. We transform your technical information into professional assets, such as AI-assisted presentations, promotional videos, corporate podcasts, and interactive documentation. Step 3 establishes your professional presence in Quebec. We provide localized web and video content, handle cultural adaptation of your messaging, and facilitate introductions to a targeted network of over 500 industrial contacts. Our engine acts as your external AI marketing director. We provide strategic oversight, monthly action plans, and continuous ROI tracking, giving you the benefit of an expert team without the overhead of a full-time hire. Our methodology is built for continuous improvement. We cycle through 4 phases: analyzing your digital visibility, prioritizing profitable actions, creating necessary content, and improving performance month after month. Publilux utilizes 12 specialized platforms to drive a single strategy. This proprietary ecosystem is tailored to maximize your specific business opportunities across media, AI, and professional networks. Technology does not replace experience, it multiplies it. We combine our deep knowledge of B2B sales with modern AI tools to ensure we select and implement only the solutions that drive measurable value for your business. It is time to give a new dimension to your visibility. Contact us today so we can identify the simplest and most profitable first step for your business.